Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you want reliable research-based answers with credible sources, using academic focus mode in Perplexity AI is the best choice. In this guide, I will show you step by step how to use academic focus mode in Perplexity AI effectively. So first thing first, open Perplexity AI. Okay, so go to perplexity.ai or open mobile app, start a new search. Okay, be ready to begin. Select academic mode. So look for the focus option, choose academic, activates research-based search, and then start. Okay, so ask a research level question. For example, I will give you an example here. So how to use the academic focus, or for example, explain cognitive behavioral therapy with scientific evidence. Okay, or for example, another example, okay, like this, causes of climate change with studies. Okay, and then press enter. Okay, you can ask deeper questions. Okay, review the answer plus sources, so you will get detailed explanation, academic references, papers, journals. Okay, click sources to read full studies. Okay, it has a high credibility. Okay, you can also use follow-up prompts to ask, simplify this explanation, give real-life examples, summarize key findings. For example, make complex info easier. Okay, so that's it guys, for today's video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.